Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asma and I'm wife of Muhammad Atarana. So before I accepted Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad as the promised Messiah and Imam Mahdi, I had the dreams. So I had 3 dreams which indicated to me that Ahmadiyyat was the truth. At this point, I started asking other people, my friends, people that I knew that was non-Ahmadi, because I was really confused. Even though I had dreams, I felt like I was being an ignorant, and I didn't want to accept the truth. All my non-Ahmadi friends told me to not to read about Ahmadi because they do magic, they will do magic on me and things like that. But that didn't stop me. That did not stop me. That intrigued me even more. So I started to go into Al-Islam website and started reading articles, more books. And I started waking for tahajjud every day. And I was begging Allah to show me more sign and guide me towards the truth. And this is when my 3rd dream occurred. And in my 3rd dream, I was holding your hand, taking bath, and I saw a line of girls wearing black hijab also, taking bath together at your hand. And that's when I knew that Ahmadiyyat was the truth.
Acha, mashallah.